Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you where to find the secret room in the new Dress to Impress update. So the new DTI update is hiding a secret room, and here I'm going to show you exactly where to find it and how to get inside. So first, you can open the DTI, and what you need to do is just go to the free play server. So click on teleport and let's head into the free play mode or server. So now once you're inside the free play server, you can just head into the runway or catwalk in here, the stage, and here you'll see this room on the right side of the stage. You can just go in here and you can teleport to the secret room. So click on the E on your keyboard if you're using PC, and just like that you'll be teleporting into this secret room. So this is where the wicked garden is. You can see this place right here, and there's also this houses right here, and the best part, there also a secret tree house that you can climb up. You can just go in here and you'll see this tree house right here. Let's go up, and at the top right here you can see all this beautiful view of the secret room. So have you found this room yet? If you're not, you can just get in now. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.